how to create product in Smplsale. In order to create product, click on product. This will show you product list. Click on new, type the name of the product. Once you type the name of the product, system will go and collect the image from a Google and bring it to you. If you want to see more image, always click on more image. You could select any other image you like. Let's select this one. And now select the category, enter the cost price, selling price. Track inventory means we would like to track inventory of this, count how many of us we have in stock. Track serial number. This will allow you to keep track serial number of this product. It could be anything, any electronic item or anything that you keep track with the serial number. Turn on the tracking serial number, so time of purchase, time of selling. System will always ask you for serial number of the item, and when you sell it, it will ask the serial number, and this way you can track if this product is here or not. If customer bring for return, or you want to return to the vendor or something like this, you will keep track of every serial number of every single product. Enter the description and hit save, and you are all set. The product is created. Thanks for watching. For more information, please check out our website, smplsale.com. Thanks.